Hello everyone. So what we have here is the Anker bio-based cable. So it is a 240 watts USB Type-C cable. So the model is Anker 544 USB-C to USB-C cable. This is 6 feet and has a 240 watts fast charging, and according to Anker it is bio-based. So you can check on the box here. Ayan. So this model has other color. So meron siyang green, purple, blue, and white. So what we have here is white. So here's the cable. You have here your USB Type-C cable. So yung end niya feels like rubber, and then it has a sticker that denotes na this is 240 watts. And then on the other hand, you have bio-based. Then you have your Anker wire management rubber. Yan. So to tie your cables. So I bought this one because what we have here is the Anker limited edition Ride 2 120 watt power brick. So since I'm using this laptop, and whenever you go travel or go outside, the power adapter that comes with this one is very bulky, and of course we want to save space, so we have this one. So the Type-C charging port of this Asus G14 2024 model is 100 watts. So basically, since it is 120 watts, so we need to have a cable that is greater than or equal to 120 watts. The cable that comes with this one is only rated 100 watts, and because of that, you will not be able to maximize the 120 watts. So if you're going to charge a device, it is better that your wattage is equal or somehow greater than. So the device now has an intelligent controller that allows to manage the required wattage for the machine. So this one is 120. So for me to use the 120 watts, I should use cable that is rated 120 or above. That's why I bought this one. So the cable that comes with, again, this Anker power brick is only 100 watts. So let me get it so you can see. So here's the Anker cable that comes with this charger. So we have here the cable. It is rated as 100 watts. As you can see there, it is 100 watts. So for me to be able to get the 120 watts, I need to have a higher rated cable. So I've been using this one for a while, and it seems very good naman for my device. When I'm using the device, using and charging it through the Type-C interface with this power brick and cable, I have noticed that the power is, or the charging is continuously ongoing even though I'm using the laptop itself. So one thing that you can observe, if your charger is not able or is not capable of supplying the wattage for your laptop, so you will see the charge percentage drop even though it is plugged in the power source. No, even though you're charging your device and then using it, your percentage drops. No, so I have experienced it from my previous machine. So make sure your chargers could supply the required power so that you will be able to lengthen or make your battery work less, no? Because if you're using the device while charging it, it will draw power from the source, no? Depending on device, no? Usually it will draw power from the power source so that the battery will be charged, no? So make sure to consider that if you want to prolong the lifespan of your battery. So yeah, this is 3 feet, enough to use for a somehow distance power source. And then power brick is very convenient since you have 2 Type-C ports and 1 USB Type-A. So if you're going or thinking to buy this one, I hope this video helped you, and I'll show where I got this from online shop. I can also see other model that is 240 watts. However, I got this one, the bio-base. The other one have a different design. Let me show you. So this is the product, no, where I got it from. So this is the store, and this one contains only black and white. However, other store have the other colors. Let me check. So this one got the different color. So you have the purple, then you have here the black, you have here blue, and then I think this is the green one. Yeah, that's the green. I have this one, yung 3 feet. So you can select black, blue, or green. Then 3 feet. Available in 3 feet or 6 feet. Yan. The other one is this design. It has a metal finish there. So you can also, I think, try this one for having a 240 watt cable, no? So yeah, this is Anker store, so you may check on that one also. But what I have here is the 544 version. I think the other one is the newer variant, this one, having a metal finish over there. So again, if you're going to buy this cable, I hope this video helped you, and thank you for watching.